Good day my Stitchy family and welcome to my channel Stitcha-Rella. Today I'm bringing you another amazing unboxing from Dreamstitch. That is www.dreamstitch.top. Now you guys know what I think of this shop. I think they are fabulous. The owner is Ryan and he is amazing and he is bringing the best to us. I love it, I love it, I love it. Now this shop don't only cater for stamp cross stitch. It is an exclusive brand shop. It caters for stamp cross stitch, counted cross stitch, embroidery needs. Just go and have a look. There's so many things. They got all the tools and accessories. They do ADA for those who do counted up to 1.5 meters a piece. Exceptional tools and accessories like the needles. I love them. They do customs and I love the customs. The customs are amazing. And they also do beaded, a 9 count and 11 count. The 9 count, little plastic balls we see, and then that pearly things, I call them little plastic balls. And the 11 count is glass seed beads. So please, if you haven't had a look yet, please go and have a look. Now if you want to save a little bit more at Dreamstitch, you use my discount code, which is Sanet, my name. I almost gave you a wrong discount code. My discount code is Sanet for extra 5% off. Dreamstitch also offer free shipping now. If you order over $50, $60 or $70, you get free shipping. Now, please remember, if you order sell by or ferry, you must give a 2-week lead time before they actually send it, because that's how long it takes to get to Ryan. But I promise you one thing, it's worth it. Now, you've seen the box while I was chatting behind the scenes. Look at that. Oh, I cannot wait. Let's open it. I wonder how big it's going to be. You know, you can read how big a thing is. But if you open it, that's a different story, right? Yes, for me it is. You can read as much as you want. You only see the full effect when you open it. Now I can tell you, it is fairy, and this one is 120 by 120. So let's have a go at this beautiful thing. So it came in a box like this. Now when they send to South Africa, they squish stuff in all boxes and everything's confused, which I don't mind. I know how to sort it. As long as everything's there, I'm fine. Alright, so let's have a look here. Needles. Remember the last time I shortened my needles was not even in the packet. Oh my word, that's a lot. You see, this is the normal fairy whole toolkit they give you. Okay. Okay, it comes, the whole thing comes in a reusable Ziploc bag. Now get off there. Sorry guys, my cats are having a feast, yeah. And let's look at this pattern. I wonder how many, oh, it bent. Doesn't matter, we can just fix that. Alright, so I've been looking for a nice rose one, and this is so elegant. It's really beautiful. Pink, greens with the curtains, the teacups, and it's amazing. I think really, really pretty. Let's see. How many colors are we working with here? So far, I don't know how many colors, because what they do is the mixed colors. I'm gonna, okay, so here is 149, but the normal colors goes up to 90. From 91 to 149 is mixed colors. So mixed colors give you a bit of a different color variation. The book is amazing. There's a lot of colors. We're gonna have some fun, but this is gonna be huge. Amazing. very clearly. I'm trying to squish it flat to fix it. See, the instruction book, the pattern book is really good. I like to see this. Really good quality. It's amazing. Very, very cool. Alright, so let's have a look what we got here. We got needles. This is what's supposed to be in your parcel. It's supposed to be needles. There you go. There's 20 of them. I'll pack them. I'll just put everything there. I'm trying to squish that paper flat. I've got 2 thread organizers. They're nice. You can stick your needles in these. I've got 2 rolls of finger tape. And then this, if you do the parking method, I've got 5 of them. Need more than 5 of them if you work with these, so you better collect them if you do parking. Now here is the ones they give you with the kit. I think I've got fat fingers, or I must stretch them. But if I stretch them, they fit. Okay, fat finger syndrome. Alright, and there's 5 silicone little finger hoodie things, finger protectors. They fit over my pinky, but my pinky don't stitch, right? Okay, so that's all the stuff that comes with it. I just want to keep it together. We can throw it up later when I take the picture. It's not happening now. And let's have a look. I must move this. This is, every time this thing does a curl, I want to have a attack. I want to get it straight. Okay, there you go. Done. No, the kitties are naughty. So she's playing around everything. Alright, so let's have a look here. So I can tell you now, it's serged all the way around for our convenience. It's 14 count. And there is absolutely no way I can show it to you. It is ginormous. So let's just do... It's just going to work on a photo, guys. This is not even half. Yeah, it's all, yeah, it is half. This is half. Wait. Oh, I need to move back. Oh my word. I'm going to work a lifetime on this one. But it's fine. I've got a lot of life left in me. There you go. So it is exceptional quality. It's fairy. What do you expect? They also print with that ink that people get allergic to the ink. This is not, it's high quality. 600 stitches by 600 stitches. Imagine that. It's 14 count and the printing is exceptional. Let me show you from very close up how well you can read this. Beautiful, right? Okay, so let's have a look. I expect a lot of pinks and stuff, and I can see it, and I'm over the moon. Over the moon. No, this is too much hassle. I'm leaving it like that. Let's have a look at this. Now this is beautiful. Oh my Stitchy, so what's happening here? 30, 60, 90. It's 111 separate colors, and this is extra. It's your extra that you need to finish here. It is a big, big, beautiful classic stitch. It's very, very feminine. Don't want to open these. I really don't. They're going to stay like that. All right, so let's have a look at this. Hey, kitties are playing with a box I put on the floor. So look at this. 1, 2, 30. So this one goes up to 30. There's reds, and it's amazing. It's more burgundies and reds. Very, very beautiful. This one goes to 60. Look at that. This one goes to 90. Look at that. Da-da-da-da. It's more burgundy. Oh, this is going to come out just, oh, it's going to be so beautiful. And And this one goes to 105, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 111. It is fabulous, right? I think it's amazing. Now, before I show them all to you together, I want to ask, if it's the first time you're watching my channel, please hit the subscribe button. If you would be so kind, please. You help me out a lot. And it's for free. And you motivate me to make more videos. Also, hit the like button and leave me a comment in the comment box. I will personally get back to you. All right, look at them together. Oh my word, this is, and it's a lot. And remember, it's Egyptian cotton, 14 count. Oh my word. Wow, that's all I can say. Wow, wow, wow. This is just fabulous. All right, so while I just try and organize my life here, I want to thank Ryan. Wow, this is exceptional. It's beautiful. Thank you so much. And then I want to thank you, my Stitchy family, for always watching and supporting me. It really, really means the world to me. Till next time, lots of love, Stitcha-Rella.